Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing external variables. Unplug the keyboard and fully shut down the computer, then wait 10-15 seconds to drain residual power. Once done, inspect the control key and surrounding caps for crumbs, hair, or sticky residue. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clear it. If it's a USB model, plug into a different port or a powered hub to rule out port glitches. These steps isolate hardware from software causes, so you know where to focus next. You'll now examine the key mechanism and the system side. Carefully pop off the control keycap with a pry tool and check the switch and stabilizer for sticky residue or a misaligned stem. Clean with isopropyl alcohol and let dry. Then boot into safe mode to see if the problem persists outside normal drivers and apps. If it clears, reinstall or update the keyboard driver and review accessibility toggles like sticky keys. These steps find whether it's a physical jam or a software mapping issue. You finish by choosing the durable fix based on prior tests. If the switch remains physically sticky or damaged, replace the switch or the whole keyboard. For membrane boards, replacement is often simpler. If drivers look suspect, reset keyboard firmware or use the on-screen keyboard temporarily. Make sure to back up custom layouts or macros before resetting. If the issue persists, plug the keyboard into another computer to confirm a hardware fault. Quick troubleshooting tip. If intermittent,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.